Hello all, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got a game-changing strategy for you to crack the UCEED exam, a plan that spans 5 months and guarantees comprehensive preparation of both the sections, drawing and aptitude. यहाँ मैं एक important point highlight करना चाहूँगी. ध्यान रखें कि 2024 एग्जाम के पैटर्न में स्लाइड चेंज किया गया है. 2023 तक UCEED पेपर में 240 मार्क का एप्टीट्यूड और 60 मार्क का एक ड्राइंग क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता था. From 2024, there will be 2 questions of drawing and no further mark distribution details have been shared. अगर आपने अभी तक क्रिएटिव एज चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब और बेल नोटिफिकेशन का बटन प्रेस कीजिए, जिससे ऐसा इंपॉर्टेंट नोटिफिकेशन आउट होते ही आपके पास अपडेट आ जाए. So without further ado, let's dive into the details of this foolproof strategy. This video is helpful for students who have started preparing as well as students who may start the preparation now. First month में हमें concept revision या learning पे focus करना चाहिए. So aptitude में start with the fundamental concepts of quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning and visual reasoning. And in drawing, ace your basics of design elements. This will lay a strong foundation for the challenges ahead. In quantitative aptitude, spend time revising concepts like ratio and proportion, percentage, time, speed and distance. Also dive into 2D and 3D mensuration, geometry, permutation and combination, and probability. In logical reasoning, conquer series completion, blood relations, distance and directions, sitting arrangements, and data sufficiency. For visual reasoning, practice mirror and water images, paper cutting and folding, cubes and dice, and spatial and verbal ability. Now in drawing, it is a process and will take its own sweet time. So divide the important topics in coming months. Start with geometrical forms, shapes and objects, and optical illusion. Remember, in drawing, do a lot of practice. First month की planning थोड़ी rigorous रही है, जिससे आपको आने वाले महीनों में pressure feel ना हो. क्योंकि as we start approaching towards the end of the year, you will have to balance your board preparation and the entrance preparation. Second month. Moving on to the second month, it's time to level up your skills by tackling advanced level questions in aptitude. Master the topics you studied in the first month by solving complex problems that challenge your understanding. Focus on not just getting the answers correct, but understanding the underlying principles and strategies for each question. इस month में drawing में human figures, expressions, 1 point to 5 point perspective के साथ साथ शेडिंग के ऊपर काम करें. ध्यान रखें, UCEED में बहुत बार लाइटिंग के ऊपर क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं, जहां आपको कोई सीन क्रिएशन 9 o'clock, 5 o'clock को डिपिक्ट करता हुआ बनाना होता है. थर्ड मंथ. By the third month, you should be ready to apply your knowledge to real world scenarios. In aptitude, this is where puzzles come into play. Solve a lot of puzzles and riddles. These will sharpen your ability to think critically, analyze situation, and make logical connections. In drawing, start making situational drawings. Last year तक एक question जो drawing का आता था, वो situational drawing का ही होता था. Fourth month. As the fourth month kicks in, it's time to challenge yourself with past year papers. Start solving UCEED exam papers from 2015 onwards. This step will help you get acquainted with the exam pattern, time management, and the types of questions frequently asked. Fifth month. The final stretch is all about perfecting your exam taking skills. Start solving mock exams that closely stimulate the actual UCEED exam conditions. Mock solve करने से आप अपने weak और strong areas identify कर पाओगे और competitive exam में success का सबसे important aspect, time management, पर काम कर लोगे. And there you have it, a well-structured 5-month strategy to conquer the UCEED entrance exam. Remember, consistency and dedication are the keys. Stick to this plan and you will be well prepared to tackle the UCEED exam with confidence. If you found this strategy helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more valuable content. Best of luck and see you in the next video.